The DJI Air 3S is a subtle yet significant upgrade over the Air 3, offering a few key improvements while maintaining the essence of DJI's popular all-rounder drone series. Both drones are positioned between DJI's Mini and Mavic series, making them ideal for enthusiasts who want a blend of advanced features without stepping into the higher-end Mavic territory. Despite their similarities, there are distinct differences that set these two models apart. One of the most noticeable upgrades in the Air 3S is its camera system. While both drones feature dual cameras, the Air 3S introduces an improved main camera with a larger 1-inch sensor, whereas the Air 3's main camera uses a smaller 1x1.3-inch sensor. This upgrade in the Air 3S allows for superior image quality, particularly in challenging lighting conditions. The larger sensor offers more tonal detail, especially in low-light environments, which is a significant advantage for photographers and videographers seeking better performance in varied lighting situations. The telephoto cameras on both drones, however, remain the same, featuring 1x1.3-inch sensors, offering a consistent experience across both models when zooming in. In terms of video capabilities, both drones offer similar recording specs, including the ability to shoot in 4000 pixels up to 120 frames per second and 4000 pixel HDR video up to 60 frames per second. However, there is a slight difference in the maximum video bitrate, with the Air 3S offering 130 megabits per second compared to the 150 megabits per second of the Air 3. While this difference is minor and unlikely to be noticeable for most users, it does mean that the Air 3's video is slightly less compressed. Another new feature exclusive to the Air 3S is the free panorama mode, which allows users to stitch multiple images together into a single, expansive photograph. This is particularly useful when using the telephoto camera, as it allows for a wider and more detailed view, perfect for panoramic photography enthusiasts. Safety features have also been enhanced in the Air 3S with the introduction of front-facing LiDAR, making it the first DJI drone to include this technology. While both models come with omnidirectional object sensing, the Air 3S's LiDAR improves object detection in low-light environments, providing an extra layer of safety during night flights. Additionally, the Air 3S includes a next-generation smart return-to-home feature, which uses real-time vision positioning and map construction to memorize flight paths, ensuring a safe return even when there is no satellite signal. In terms of design, there is little to differentiate the two drones. Both weigh just over 700 grams, with the Air 3S being slightly heavier at 724 grams compared to the Air 3's 720 grams. Both drones also fall into the C1 category, which means they are subject to certain flight regulations depending on the region. Flight time is nearly identical, with the Air 3S offering up to 45 minutes and the Air 3 providing up to 46 minutes of flight on a single charge. Both models feature DJI's O4 transmission system, allowing for a low-latency Full HD Live image to be transmitted to the controller, with a maximum range of up to 20 kilometers, depending on regional restrictions. One notable upgrade in the Air 3S is its built-in memory, which offers 42 GB compared to the Air 3's 8 GB. While this still may not be enough to store a significant amount of high-resolution video footage, particularly when shooting in 10-bit, it is a useful addition that provides a bit more flexibility for users who may run out of micro SD storage during a flight. In conclusion, deciding between the DJI Air 3 and the Air 3S ultimately depends on your specific needs and how much value you place on the incremental improvements offered by the Air 3S. If you are someone who already owns the Air 3, the decision to upgrade may not be as clear-cut. The Air 3 is still an incredibly capable drone, offering excellent performance in both photography and videography. Its dual camera system, which includes a 1x1.3-inch sensor for both the main and telephoto cameras, provides high-quality imagery. And its strong safety features and long flight time makes it one of the best options available for enthusiasts. The Air 3's slight drawbacks, such as the fixed aperture, which could be problematic for users of neutral density filters, and the protruding camera design, are relatively minor issues in the grand scheme of things. Additionally, the small discounts currently available for the Air 3 make it an attractive option for those looking to save a bit of money while still getting an excellent all-round drone. On the other hand, the DJI Air 3S, while a minor upgrade on the surface, brings several key enhancements that could be important depending on how and where you fly. The most significant of these is the upgrade to the main camera's sensor, which jumps from a 1x1.3-inch sensor in the Air 3 to a larger 1-inch sensor in the Air 3S. This seemingly small change can have a significant impact on the image quality, especially in low-light conditions. If you often find yourself flying in challenging lighting situations, such as during golden hour or at night, the Air 3S's improved dynamic range and low-light performance will provide sharper images with greater detail. Furthermore, the introduction of front-facing LiDAR is a significant improvement for night flights or in environments where object detection is crucial, making the Air 3S a safer choice for those who prioritize advanced safety features. Another area where the Air 3S shines is in its new free panorama mode, which allows users to capture expansive panoramic images by stitching multiple shots together. This feature could be particularly appealing for photographers looking to create large, high-resolution prints or immersive landscape images. While the Air 3 already offers solid performance in terms of both photography and videography, this added capability gives the Air 3S a creative edge, especially for those who enjoy pushing the boundaries of what their drone can capture. In terms of practical differences, the Air 3S also comes with a more generous 42GB of built-in memory, compared to just 8GB in the Air 3. While this is still not enough to replace the need for a micro SD card for serious video work, it provides a useful safety net in case you forget or run out of external storage. The minor reduction in maximum video bitrate from 150 megabits per second in the Air 3 to 130 megabits per second in the Air 3S is unlikely to make a noticeable difference to most users. But it is worth noting for those with particularly sharp eyes for video compression. For first-time drone buyers, the decision may be easier. Given the minimal price difference between the two models at the time of writing, the DJI Air 3S represents the best option for most new buyers. Its iterative improvements, especially in terms of camera performance and safety features, make it a more future-proof purchase. As the Air 3S has launched at the same price as the Air 3 did, there is little financial incentive to opt for the older model unless significant discounts become available in the near future. Even then, the Air 3S's better low-light performance, larger sensor, and new features like LiDAR and free panorama mode may justify the slight premium for those seeking the latest technology. Ultimately, both the DJI Air 3 and the Air 3S are excellent choices in DJI's lineup of drones, offering a fantastic balance of performance, safety, and ease of use. If you are a casual user who doesn't need the latest advancements, the Air 3 will still serve you well, especially if you can take advantage of upcoming discounts. However, if you are looking for the best all-round drone in this class with improved camera performance and enhanced safety features, the Air 3S is the better choice. Whether you are upgrading from DJI's Mini series, looking for a backup drone to your Mavic, or simply searching for a versatile high-performance model, the Air 3S is positioned as DJI's most capable enthusiast-level drone, offering advanced features and a level of performance that will satisfy both new and experienced drone users alike. So that's all about the DJI Air 3S versus Air 3. Do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.